I am Pintu Naik. My father name is Tigran Naik. My mother name is Manka Naik. I read in class 8.
I am Akash Wag. My father name is Jogindra Wag. My mother name is Divyavrata Wag. I am reading class in 8.
I am speaking some state and its capital name.
Okay.
Andhra Pradesh,
Hyderabad,
Himachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Imphal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand,
Dehnu,
West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Thank you.
Thank you.